Alright, I'm going to go over setting up the navigation menus for Wildfire. So by default you won't have any navigation up there, and it's pretty easy to set up. So basically we're going to go to our dashboard, and under appearance we are going to go to menus. And from here the first thing we need to do is create a menu. So you can name your menu anything. I'll just call them the menu main navigation. And then we'll click create menu. Once you click create menu, these boxes on the left will now be selectable. And the next step is under theme locations. There's only one, so it's really easy to find. Primary menu, all we're going to do is select our navigation. So we can click save right there, and all we're doing is just saying that our main navigation is this one. Excuse me. So now we can start adding pages. So I have a bunch of sample pages right here. So I'm going to go and just, all you have to do is select and click add to a menu. And so I'm going to go ahead and just select all of them and add them to our menu, and we can click save menu. I'm going to open this up in another tab so we can see everything. So as you can see now, I have a whole bunch of the pages up there in the top right. And then now I can go over a couple other things. So the first thing is sorting it. So sorting is really easy. You can just drag and drop them. So let's say I wanted to move portfolio to the last item. We just drop it all the way to the back. So now I'll save the menu, and portfolio will now have dropped all the way to the back. So it's really easy. You can just drag and drop to move items. The next thing is, let's say you wanted to have your page, for instance, let's say you wanted your page sample page, but the link is a little long, so let's say you just wanted to have like sample up there. What you can do is you can see some extra options if you click this edit menu, and you can just edit the label. So we can shorten it if we wanted to, or change it completely. You get the idea. And then we can click save. So now if I refresh it, the menu item is different than the page name. So it's kind of a cool thing. Sometimes if you have contact us or something and you want to shorten things up, or various reasons why, you can just click this little down arrow. So the next thing, and also in that down arrow you'll notice that's where you can also remove pages. So you can see that we can remove pages. I'm going to go ahead and add those pages back. So the next thing I'm going to do is go over how to add drop-down menus. So let's go ahead and just add some drop-down menu under blog. Let's go ahead and just add sample. All you do is you drag the page slightly underneath. You see how it's clicking over to the right? That just means that now sample is underneath blog. So it's in a sub-menu of blog. So I'll refresh and sample disappears, but when I hover over it, it's now under a drop-down. So we can do the same thing for portfolio. Let's go and add portfolio and full width. You see how I just drag it over and it automatically kind of snaps to it. So now all of those become underneath. And if you wanted to move them back, you just drag them back out. Really easy. And it actually supports multiple levels, so if you wanted to have a third level, you can do so as well. So you see how full width is under another level, and I believe it goes 4 levels deep is what we support, but it's very easy to make simple drop downs, as you can see, and that pretty much covers all of the navigation menu right there. Everything is just drag and drop, super easy to add and remove pages.